Hi Michael, I'm here to help you with your D2L issue. I'm not really sure what you're seeing, so I'm just going to take you through a few screens, and hopefully what I cover quickly will help you out. All right, so first thing, if you have successfully logged into eWolf, and you see the instructions are here on the login page as to your initial password. Though I've been told different by IT, which is why I have the two different instructions in my other video. But if you've gotten past this point and it asked you to reset your password, then you'll have to remember that password that you entered in. You see here that if you need to reset your password, you can do that online without calling the 24-hour technical assistance line. And the other thing that I would recommend is that you have passwords that are the same for the eWolf login and the FRCC instructor email login. So these are two different passwords sometimes if you set them differently, and I try to link mine up so that I don't have to remember two different passwords. So you can reset the password here, and then if you're still having trouble logging into eWolf, then of course call the number. I don't think IT can help you with this particular login spot because this is something controlled by CCCS, which is our statewide organizing body over FRCC and many other community colleges. So I'm just going to log in real quick to remind you about things in here. So give me a minute to log in. Yeah, and don't forget that the new passwords have to be 14 digits, characters long. All right, so when you log into eWolf, you'll probably only see faculty tools here. And this is where you can click on D2L and it will open automatically because you're logged into eWolf and so you're logged into the network. But if you do go to frontrange.edu, the home page, this banner is at the top of all of our web pages, and you can click on D2L and log in from here as well. And so this will be the same login that you use. So it automatically bounced me in because I'm already logged into eWolf. So it identified me as logged in and I went in automatically. But if I don't log into eWolf first, I have to do a separate login to D2L. So when I go to teach a class on campus, I usually just log straight into D2L. I don't go through eWolf because I don't need it for anything else. So you choose which way is easier for you to log in. It ultimately gets you to the same location. Alright, so let me show you a few things about where to find your courses. So a reminder that once you do get logged into D2L, this is information that is maintained by the instructional design team on campus, and this is not your course right here. You have to click on something else. You have to either click on the waffle, which lists all the sections. So this is a list of all the sections I've ever taught or been involved with in D2L. So these are the ones I'm working with now. This is actually a course I just finished over the summer. So right now I'm just working with you guys in the high school program site. But you know, your construction courses that I listed to you in the email should be down here. And you can pin them, click on the pin, close out, go back into the waffle, and the pin will activate up here, and that's how you'll get the blue shaded versus the whole list of things. But you won't have a lot of courses listed for a few semesters, so this is handy when you've taught with us for a while, and we keep the course shells there, just in case we need to get into them for, I don't even know the period of time, but I would guess a year to 2 years. Alright, so waffle is one way to get to your course. So I'll just click on my English 121. So once you click on your course title, then you're into that particular course shell. So there's that entry point that has the information for instructors that's maintained by instructional design, and then in order to get into your section's actual D2L shell, you have to click on it. If I want to leave this shell and go into my other section, then I click on the waffle again and choose another course, and now I'm in another course shell. Okay, so I'm not really sure what you're seeing or what's going on or what your point of confusion is. I'm just trying to cover as much stuff as I can to help you out. Remember also that you can click here and it will take you back to that home page that you see when you initially log in. Sorry, it's moving so slow this morning. And then in addition to the waffle, the courses you are enrolled in as either the instructor, which are your two construction sections, or as a student, which is for this one, the BCC high school programs. Your courses will also be listed here. So I don't have to click on the waffle. I can click here, or I can click here, and that will also take me. So again, I'll just go into my English course that's done from the summer. Okay, so you have to go in and out of these different course shells to get into the spot where you need to go. So you will be maintaining two construction sections since you have construction, forgetting your course number, sorry, just too many courses running through my head. Since you're teaching construction 110, section 280 and 281, you'll have two separate D2L shells. Alright, so you said you got into your FRCC email okay, and so hopefully all of your questions will be answered from this video, and if not, I really recommend that we talk on the phone today. I don't know when you're done teaching, but I'm in the office until 4:30, so you can give me a call, and my number is 303-678-3725, and I'd be happy to chat with you to go over whatever is still not clear about D2L. Okay? Have a great day in class today, Michael, and I hope to talk to you soon.